Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Now we finished talking about these two main ideas, the arc length. An arc length, we have this formula. This is the arc length, very clear. And we have the surface, the area of the surface of revolution, and we have this formula, where r of x is the distance from the graph between f and the axis of revolution, or we can write, if I have x-axis, then I have y. It depends. Y sometimes is the function, sometimes is the y itself, if I'm writing in terms of y, and this is x, and do the calculation accordingly. So it's kind of formula, applying formula. Okay, the length of the curve is this. This is now after we finish talking about these two main topics, which is the main topics in this section. Now we'll do problems from the old exams. Okay, he wants the arc length. What is arc length? This is about function of x. So everything ready. From 0 to 1 over 9, square root 1 plus f prime of x all squared dx. Okay. Now I will do f prime. F prime will be what? 12 over 2, 6, x to the power half. Yeah. What it needs, I think, yeah. So what is f prime square? That will be 36x. Yeah, no need for integration method, just the basic one. So I have from 0 to 1 over 9, square root 1 plus 36x dx. Now we'll do let u, let me do it here. Let u equal 1 plus 36x, du will be what? 36 dx. So I need 36, don't forget, yeah, 1 over 36. Okay. Then I have what? 1 over 36, integral from where to where? 0, that give me 1. 1 over 9, 1 over 9, that give me 4 plus 1, that is 5. Okay, u to the power half du. I have this is du. Okay, this is u to the power. So it's 1 over 36 times 2 over 3, u to the power 3 over 2, from 1 to 5. That will be what? 118, 1 over 54, 18 times 3, times what? Square root of 5 cube, that's 5 square root of 5, 1 minus 4, which is easy. The length of the curve is L, and he wrote it in terms 2a over 10. So who cares? Just he want a. Let me see what will be a. So the length will be from 0 to 1 in terms of x, and I have this is function of x. So things are ready. Square root 1 plus f prime of x all squared dx. Okay. So I have, yeah, f of x is this. F prime of x will be what? F prime of x will be 3 x to the power half. F prime of x square, that will be 9x. The same idea. So L will be integral from 0 to 1, square root 1 plus 9x dx. We'll do let u now, let u equal 1 plus 9x, du will be what? 1 over 9. Okay, dx. So I have 1 over 9, and I need 9 outside. So that give me what? 9, integral from where to where? At 0, it is 1, and at 1, it's 10. Okay, this is du, u to the power half, du. That will be 9 times 2 over 3, u to the power 3 over 2. from 1 to 10. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, this is 9. Sorry. What is this? This is 9. This is the integral 1 over 9. Huh? So this is 1 over 9. So this is 1 over 9. To make sense with this one. Okay. So I have 2 over 27 times what? 10 square root of 10 minus 1. This is will be, that will be my A. So this is 2 over 27 times A. So A is this. Okay. The arc length of the curve, this function of x, sine hyperbolic, who cares? Just we'll do the formula. 0 to ln 2 square root 1 plus f prime of x all squared dx. Okay. So it will be y prime or f prime of x. It will be sine hyperbolic x. Okay. What will be f prime of x square? That will be sine hyperbolic square x. That is 1 plus f prime of x square. That is 1 plus sine hyperbolic square x. Now be careful. Cosine hyperbolic x minus sine hyperbolic x is equal to 1. So that means cosine hyperbolic square equal 1 plus sine hyperbolic square. Yes. So that is cosine hyperbolic square x. So that will kill the, and I know cosine hyperbolic is always positive, so no problem too. I don't need absolute value. So L will be from 0 to ln 2. Cosine hyperbolic square under the square root, that will be cosine hyperbolic x dx. Yeah, that will make it easier. Sine hyperbolic from 0 to ln 2. So it will be sine hyperbolic ln 2. Sine hyperbolic of 0 is 0. And that will be e ln 2 minus e minus ln 2 over 2. That will be 2 minus half over 2. 4 minus 1, 3 over 4, which is this one. The length of this curve, this is f of x, equal this. And they have the x values. So L, so yeah, I know L, what is it? Now f prime. F prime will be what? Secant x, and they have secant, yeah. So it's tan x. 1 plus f prime square, that is 1 plus tan square, which is secant square. So خلاص, I get rid of the x, of the absolute, of the square root. Yeah, L will be 0 to pi over 4 of what? Square root secant square. And everything is positive, so that's an integral of secant x dx, which I know it's ln secant x plus tan x from 0 to pi over 4. That will be ln square root of 2 plus 1. Secant 0 is 1 plus 0, ln 1 is 0. That will be the answer. F prime is this. Then the length of the curve. He gave me f prime. He moved one step more. He gave me f prime. So what will be L? Will be the integral from 0 to 1 square root 1 plus f prime square dx. That gives me from 0 to 1 square root 1. I have f prime. This is f prime for e2x minus 1 dx. So this is cancelled. So I have 0 to 1 to ex dx. Yeah, let's give me 2ax from 0 to 1. That will be 2e minus e to the power 0, 1 minus 2, which is this. Very clear. The length of the arc of the curve, this curve, x function of y. This is function of y, x equal function of y. And they have the y values. خلاص. So L will be minus pi over 4 to pi over 4 square root 1 plus g prime of y squared dy. Okay, now this one. What is g prime of y? I need the fundamental theorem of calculus that gives me square root minus 1 plus secant to the power 4 of y. Now we need to find g prime square. That give me what? That give me minus 1 plus secant to the power 4 of y. I need 1 plus g prime of y square. That give me what? Secant to the power 4 of y. I need the square root 1 plus g prime of y square. That give me secant square y. So L, everything is positive to minus pi over 4. L will be the secant, I mean. Or this is secant square, actually. Minus pi over 4 to pi over 4 of secant square y. I know what is the derivative of integral of this. That will be tan y. From minus pi over 4 to pi over 4. It will be 1 minus minus 1, which is 2, which is this one. Okay. The arc length of this curve from 1 to 4. Okay. I have this is f of x. I need the trick of this half. Huh? F prime will be what? X square, 3x square over 12, which is x square over 4. Minus 1 over x square. F prime square. That will be x to the power 4 over 16. Minus this times 2 minus half plus 1 over x to the power 4. So that implies into 1 plus f prime of x all square, the same thing, plus half. And that equal x square over 4 plus 1 over x square. Class. So L will be the integral from 1 to 4 square root of this in a square, which is x square over 4 plus 1 over x square dx. Integrate, that will be x cubed over 12 minus 1 over x from 1 to 4. Am I right? Yeah. Give me x square over 4. This give me 1 over x square. Okay. So that give me what? X cubed 64 over 12 minus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 12. Okay. Minus 1. Am I right? Yeah. That give me 64 over 12 minus 1 over 12. That will be 63 over 12. What is 63 over 12? Over 3, this is 21. Over 3, this is 4. Minus 1 over 4 plus 1. That will be 20 over 4, which is 5, which is 6, which is this one. Okay, good. The length of this curve from this to this. Oh, this is f of x. I need f prime of x. What will be that? That will be 1 over 2 square root x minus x squared times 1 minus 2x plus sine inverse, which is 1 over square root 1 minus x times, I am squeezing myself here. Let me take some space here. F prime of x will be what? 2 square root x minus x squared, 1 minus 2x, plus the square root 1 minus, this is u squared. Let me write this. Derivative of this, 1 over 2 square root of x. So that give me what? Yeah, let me check the calculation now. 1 minus 2x over this plus 1 over 2 root x square root 1 minus x. This is similar to this. So I have 2 minus 2x over 2 square root x minus x squared. In other words, I have 1 minus x over this. That will be f. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I have now the same common denominator. That will make it easier. Now f prime square. Now we'll have the cancellation. 1 minus x all square over x times 1 minus x. So this cancel with this. So I have 1 over x minus 1. So 1 plus f prime of x square. That will be 1 over x. So L will be from 1 over 9 to 1 over 4 of what? Of 1 over x dx. No. Yeah, it will be under the square root. So x to the power minus half dx. Yeah. The square root of this, which is x is minus half. Now, that will give me what? 2. Yeah, add 1, half, 2, x to the power half. From 1 over 4 to 1 over 9. That give me 2. Yeah. Half minus 1 over 3. That give me what? 2 times 1 over 6, which is 1 over 3. So that's the answer. Now this is between minus a different one, not the same. So I have f prime of x is 1 over square root 1 minus x squared plus this is 2 square root 1 minus x squared times minus 2x. So 2 cancelled. So I have 1 minus x over this. F prime of x all squared. That will be 1 minus x squared over 1 minus x times 1 plus x. So that gives me what? Yeah, this is cancelled. I have 1 minus x over 1 plus x. Now I need 1 plus f prime of x all squared. That's 1 plus 1 minus x over 1 plus x. That gives me what? 1 plus x, 2 over 1 plus x under the square root. So I have L from minus half to 0, square root of 2 times 1 plus x to the power minus half dx. So I have square root of 2 outside. And what's the integral of this? 2, 1 plus x to the power half. From minus half to 0. That gave me 2 square root of 2 times what? When I substitute the 0, you will get 1. I took 2 outside. 1 minus half, that is half under the square root minus 1 over square root of 2. That gives me 2 square root of 2 minus 2, which is this. The arc length of this function, I have f prime of x is 2x minus 1 over 8x. F prime square, here is the catch. I have 4x square minus 4 times half, that will be half, plus 1 over 64x square. 1 plus this, the minus half will become plus half. And that make this complete square, which is 2x plus 1 over 8x all square. خلاص. L will be integral from E to E square minus 1 over 8. Square root of this. So the square root will go with the square. So that will be what? X square minus, plus 1 over 8 ln absolute value of X. From where to where? Yeah, from E square minus 1 over 8 to E. Nice. This. Yeah, there is something wrong. Oh, no. What is this? Sorry. This is from 1. I'm reading it. I was thinking this is A and B. No, from 1 to E. This is from 1 to E. That will be what? E square plus 1 over 8. 1 over 8 ln E is 1 minus 1 ln 1 is 0. So it will be E square minus 7 over 8. Which is this one? Yeah, this is 1. I did not see it. This is A. This is B. I was thinking this is the interval. The net of this curve between 0 and pi over 4. I think we did something similar. No, 2 plane. Okay, the same idea. I have f of x is ln secant x, f prime secant tan 1 plus f prime square. Let me do it quickly. That will be 1 plus tan square, which is secant square. So L will be from 0 to pi over 4 secant x dx. That will be ln secant x plus tan x from 0 to pi over, which is ln the square root of 2 plus 1. With the 0, it will be 1 plus 0, ln 1 is 0. That's it. Okay, the net of this curve. Now it's function of half y equal 1. It's function of y. Who cares? Now g of y is this. What will be g prime of y? It will be y minus 1 over 4 y. Okay, what will be g prime of y square? That will be y square minus half. This time this times 2, which is minus half, plus 1 over 16 y square. Now 1 plus g prime of y all square, that give me what? The same thing with plus half. So this is y minus 1 over 4y square. I think we did this trick many times. So my L will be the integral from 1 to e of this. Y minus 1 over 4y. The square root will kill the square. So I have y square over 2 minus 1 over 4 ln of y from where to where? From 1 to e. That give me e square over 2 minus 1 over 4 minus half. Yeah. Minus ln 1. Yeah, the same mistake. This is plus. This is plus. This is plus. This is plus. Minus half. So it will be e square over 2 minus 1 over 4. Yeah. I change it into plus. So this it should be plus, not minus. The limit of this curve from x equals 0 to x equal. Okay. So this is f prime of x will be square root cosine 2x. F prime square, it will be cosine squared 2x. 1 plus f prime square, that is 1 plus cosine squared 2x. Okay. I need to find, it's 1 plus cosine squared 2x. Yeah. I know in cosine square, double angle, and that will be you know إنه cosine 2x is half, no, is 2 cosine square x minus 1. So let me say it in another words. I need cosine square 2x. I will go with cosine 4x is what? Is cosine 4x 1 plus cosine square 2x. Is it plus? Yeah. I'm afraid this is I need to do integration method. Let me double check. Let me try to do it by easy things. Cosine 4x. Cosine 4x is what? It will be 2 cosine square 2x minus 1. So cosine, this cosine square 2x. So cosine square 2x will be what? Because I need this under the square root. Huh? That will be what? Cosine square 2x will be half plus half cosine 4x. No, that will not help. I need this under the square root. No, that will not help. F prime. No square here. I'm gonna get the square. The square will kill the square root. What is this? This is cosine 2x plus cosine 2x. And that is 1 plus 2 cosine square x minus 1. Square root, square, no need, class. No, it's not cosine square, it's cosine. And cosine 2x is 2 cosine square minus 1, so that will be 2 cosine square x. So square root 1 plus this is the square root of 2 cosine x. Okay, so L will be from 0 to pi over 4, square root of 2 cosine x dx. And that will be square root of 2 sine x from 0 to pi over 4, with square root of 2 times square root of 2 over 2 minus 0. And that will be 2 over 2, which is 1, which is this one. Yeah, strange. The length of this curve. So what will be f prime? Be careful. That will be 3 over 2, 1 minus x to the power 2 over 3 to the power half. Derivative of this, which is 2 over 3, x to the power what? Minus 1 over 3. Yeah, something like this. So that is 1 minus x to the power 2 over 3 to the power half times x to the power minus 1 over 3. Okay, that will be f prime. Yeah, 3 over 2, 1 minus x to the power 2 over 3 to the power half times derivative of this. Don't forget there is a minus sign. Minus 2 over 3 x to the power minus half. So there is a minus sign here somewhere. Yeah. Right. Now I need to square this. F prime square. That gives me 1 minus x to the power 2 over 3 times x to the power minus 2 over 3. Which is x to the power minus 2 over 3 minus 1. Yeah. So 1 plus f prime of x, that will give me 1 minus 1 cancelled, square, x to the power minus 2 over 3. Okay. So L will be from half to 1, square root of this, and x to the power minus 1 over all to the power half, which is x to the power minus 1 over 3 dx. So I add 1, it gives me 2 over 3 or 3 over 2. I add 1, that will be what? 2 over 3. So this will be 3 over 2, x to the power 3 over 2, x to the power 2 over 3, x to the power 2 over 3 from half to 1. Yeah, that gives me 3 over 2. Substitute, and that is 1 minus. We do the half, it will be, we'll do the half, it will be the fourth root, it will be half to the power 2 over 3. And that is what? 3 over 2, 1 minus. This is what? 1 over the third root of 2 all square, which is 3 over 2, 1 minus 1 fourth root, third root of 4. Yeah, which is this. Okay. Okay, that a positive derivative and passes through the point this. If its length is given by this, so this is will be f prime. This will be by f prime square, which is what? 16 over 9 x to the power minus half. So f prime will be what? F prime will be 4 over 3 x to the power minus 1 over 4. Yeah. I just take the square root of this. Okay. So f of x will be 4 over 3 times. I add 1, that will be 3 over 4, so 4 over 3 times, sure, these answers, x to the power 3 over 4. Plus c. Okay. And I know f of 1 equal 1, so you have 1 equals 16 over 9 plus c. So c will be what? Minus 7 over 9. Okay. So it will be f. So f of x. So f of x will be 16 over 9, x to the power 3 over 4, minus 7 over 9. So f of 2 to the power 4 over 3, that will be 16 over 9, 2 to the power 4 over 3, all to the power 3 over 4, minus 7 over 9. So that will be 32 over 9, minus 7 over 9, that will be 25 over 9, which is this one. Yeah. The length of this curve is what? Yeah, we'll do f prime. That will be what? X minus 2 to the power half. F prime square, that will be x minus 2. 1 plus f prime square, that will be x minus 1. So L will be from 2 to 5, square root x minus 1 dx, which is what? 2 over 3 x minus 1 to the power half from 2 to 5. That will be 2 over 3. 5 minus 1, that will be 2. It's x minus 2. Okay. That will be 2 over 3 over 2. X minus 2 to the power half. Square it. That will be x minus 2. Square it, that will be x minus 2. Okay. You add 1 to this. 1 plus x minus 2, that will be x minus 1. I need the square root of this. No, this is 3 over 2. Sorry. This is 3 over 2. Yeah. So that give me what? 5 minus 1, 4 square root, that will be 8. 8? Yeah, that will be 8. 1. So that will be 14 over 3. Yeah, any mistakes? Okay. They do a good number of questions. Yeah. F of x is this. What is f prime? Will be half x cubed. And this is minus 1 over 4x. What is f prime square? That will be 1 over 4 x to the power 6. This fit this. No, there's something. P2. Oh, that give me. No, sorry. This is, let me write it this way. So that will be minus half, minus 1 over 2x. So this one, this times 2, that give me, yeah, that's minus 3. That will be minus half x to the power minus 3, 1 over 2 x cubed. So this is minus half. It should be minus half. So I have 1 over 4 x to the power 6 minus half. This times this give me over 1 over 4 with 2, it will be minus half plus 1 over 4 x to the power 6. Yeah. So 1 plus f prime of x all square, it will be the same thing plus half. And that give me the same expression with a plus sign, all square. Okay. So L will be the integral from 1 to 2, square root of this, I take out the square, 1 over 2, x is minus 3 dx. That give me what? 1 over 2, x to the power 4 over 4, okay, plus half, minus it will be. I add 1 times minus half, x to the power minus 2. Okay, if we do this, you have x is minus 3. Now it's correct. From 1 to 2. Okay, that give me what? 2. That 2 to the power 4, 16 over 8, that is 2. Minus or plus, minus. This one will be what? This is 1 over 4 minus 1 over 16. Okay. Minus, I have here 1 over 8 minus 1 over 4. Okay. So that will be 2 minus 1 over 16 plus 1 over 8 minus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 4. So I have the things over 16. I have 32 minus 1. This is minus 2. correct? Yeah, 16 over 8 is 2. 16 is plus 4. So you have 33 over 16. Which is this? I think I will stop here. I think we have a good number of questions. Let me do the next one. I think let me make it at slide number 50. Yeah. So I close it at slide 50. Okay. F prime will be what? X to the power. It seems to be easy one. F prime square is X. 1 plus F prime square is 1 plus X. This is what I need under the square root. So L 0 to 1 is square root 1 plus X dx. Which is what? 2 over 3, 1 plus X to the power 3 over 2. From 0 to 1. That gives me what? 2 over 3. 1 plus 1, 2. Under the square root with the 3, square root of 8. Minus 1. Which is this. Now let me stop. Stop the recording. Thank you.